Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn how to do our centers for the week. So if you missed today's lesson, we read a story called I Like Me. This story is posted in our Google Classroom. I will show you where to find it. You can find a read aloud of this story by going to Virtual Classroom and Centers. And then when you get into our virtual classroom, you're going to click on Miss Rambo. Oh, first we got to click on the present button. That way our picture gets big and our buttons all work. You're going to click on Miss Rambo and you will find the story in this first book right here on the bookshelf. When you click it, it will bring you to a read aloud. Then we talked about how to do centers this week. Our first center this week is the writing center. To do the writing center, you're going to have to open by clicking the writing button. Choose how you're feeling today. And then wait for the screen to load. When you get to the writing center, it will save your place. It says, let's write a story all about you. You're going to use the arrows to click through the slides. And anytime you hear this speaker, that means that it will read the slide to you. So all you have to do is click on the headphones at the bottom to listen to the story. When you're done with each page, click the arrows to move to the next page. This one is a video. If you click on this picture, I will teach you how to do the next slide. So then you click to the next one and you get to draw on this one using your pencil tool. You can make your pencil bigger or smaller. You can select the color. You can use a highlighter, a line. You can type with your keyboard. And if you make a mistake, this is how you erase it. Then you'll go to the next slide. You will draw a picture of yourself and try to make it look like you in real life. Remember, if you see this speaker, click the headphones. When you're done, you're just going to close out and it will save your work. That's our writing center. Now we're going to talk about the word work center. The word work center is in Boom Cards. Now to play Boom Cards, you have to click on the picture of the word work center, click the blue button, click sign in with Google, and then click your name. When you're logged in, yours won't show you this page because I have the teacher account, but it will show you this page. It says beginning sounds matching game. You have to listen to the pictures. It says volcano, Valentine, vest. V. The beginning sound that I hear is V. Now I need to choose the beginning sound for these pictures. So first I'll listen. Zipper, zebra, zero. I'm going to click the Z because I hear that at the beginning of each of those words. When I'm done, all I have to do is close out because it will save automatically. That is our word work center. And lastly, our sight word center is actually the same as last week. Now, same thing, it's a boom card, so all you have to do is click OK, click sign in, click Google, and click your name. Again, it'll bring you right to the game because you don't have the teacher account. It will show you this one. This is where you get to build your sight words. So remember to listen first. Then I build it, and I click the check mark. Now I get to build another one. They. I see a T, then I see an H, then I see an E, and then I see a Y. And I click the blue check mark. When I'm done, I just click close out because it will save my work for me. The last two centers are the same centers that we had last week. These are always going to be the same. So you can click on Starfall and then choose Kindergarten to play some reading games. Your choice. You get to pick. And this is the Library Center, Epic. Now, because we logged in last week, the cool thing about Epic is that we don't have to remember that silly code anymore. The code is going to be remembered on our screen. So once you sign in, all you have to do is click the little button that has our class, find your picture, and then you can read any of the stories that you see in Epic. Okay? Now, the last thing that I need to share with you is that all of our centers need to be done on Friday. So that means you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, 5 days to work on your centers. I'm not going to tell you which one to do on Monday, which one to do on Tuesday. You get to choose. So maybe you want to do all your centers today. That's okay. Maybe you want to do all your centers on Friday. That's okay. What I would suggest is to do 1 to 2 centers every day when you're done with your reading activity. If you finish your centers, you can always go back and do them again if you have extra time. The really good ones to do twice are Starfall and Epic because you can choose new games and new stories when you do it the second time. Remember, your centers have to be done on Friday. So every day we'll do the lesson. You will do your literacy activity in Google Classroom, and then you will work on your centers until it's time to meet with Mr. Chin at 9:20. Or if you're in Mr. Chin's class, you'll work on it until it's time for lunch. Okay? Everybody have a good Monday. Have a good week. And please let me know if you have any questions about how to do these centers. Bye-bye.